Creating carousels is one of the best ways to quickly highlight to your patrons what you have in your collection. Think of them the same way as you do material displays in your building, but with a lot less work on your end. Start by logging into your Access 360 admin account. To create carousels, you will need to click on List Management. All of your current carousels will be displayed here. To see lists you created but then disabled and hid, just toggle the Hide Disabled Lists button. From this page, you are also able to rearrange your lists so that they will display in your preferred order to your patrons. You can also edit, view, and delete lists by clicking on the corresponding picture. Lists in teal are based on titles. Lists in green are subject-based. To create a new list, hit Create New List. Decide if you are going to create a list based on criteria or titles and make your selection. Name your list. You can also enable the list for immediate display, or you can disable it if you want to work on it before displaying. Clicking Advanced Options allows you to sort the display list, set it for a start and end date, and set additional filters. Once you have everything set, hit Next. You will now see additional filters for you to use to further cultivate your list. You can choose to utilize 1, 2, or all 3 filter options. For this example, I am going to create my list based solely off of subjects. On this page, you can see all the titles that match the subject selection that you have in your Access 360 collection. If you are happy with your selection, click Save. If not, click Previous and refine your search further. Clicking Save, your lists will immediately appear on your list management page. But note that it will take time before titles are actually populated into the list. Creating title-based lists are similar. Start by clicking on Create New List, and then work your way through this page, making sure you select title-based instead of criteria-based. Here, you will conduct a search for the titles you want included in your list. You can either add this entire page of titles by hitting Add Page, add all 293 titles by clicking Add All, or you can select individual titles by hovering over the cover and clicking the plus button. Once you have your titles added and satisfied with your list, hit Next. Here, you can preview one final time and either hit Previous to go back and make changes, or hit Save. Please note, you can make as many lists as you want. The sky's the limits when it comes to promoting your collection.